In this video, I'll show you how I made this cornice for the dining room and upgraded the living room with these beautiful decorative elements. Beginning with the cornice, constructed from basswood and doubled, then 2 stoppers were made for it. The stoppers consist of scrap basswood and a 1/8 inch square dowel cut to a 1/2 inch, and constructed like the tracks on the sliding glass door and cutting board. If you have not seen these videos, links to them will be in the description. The easiest way to apply the stoppers to the wall was to put museum wax in the tracks, then insert the cornice. While constructing it, a 36-inch 5x16 dowel was cut for the curtain rod. Tacky then super gel glues were applied to the stoppers, then the cornice put in and the piece positioned above the French windows. While working on the cornice, placement for the decorative trim was planned. When I received the trims, there were some rough areas needing sanding and the tops finished, so pieces cut from jumbo popsicle sticks were placed on the tops. To jazz up the cornice, decorative elements made from clay and a silicone mold were glued on, ensuring the ends were left free to slide the cornice into the stoppers. Pieces of the elements are cut off for placement of the centerpiece, then small pieces are used to fill in the breaks. Pencil marks were put on the back of the trims to drill holes for the nails. One coat of gesso is applied to the pieces, then 2 coats of treasure gold. These bamboo laser cut panels will be used as vents in the dining room and the living room, which also have been installed in the laundry room and the kitchen. 1 coat of gesso, then 2 coats of treasure gold were also applied. Then all the pieces were given 1 coat of polyacrylic. The panels, which came 20 to a package, will add the perfect accents in the dollhouse. Here's a look at the new additions in the dining and the living rooms. If you enjoyed this video and all the content presented on this channel, please do consider subscribing. And until next time, take care, and I'll see you in the next video.